my name's Jake Nicholson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's hot at the moment. No one can argue with that. But did you know that if you're a landlord, you could potentially get fined £7,000 for these very simple mistakes? In this video, I'm going to talk about stuff that's related to this hot weather that you might just dismiss as not being a big issue, that ultimately could end up with one of these £7,000 fines that have been launched this week. So in this video, we're going to talk about all of the problems, how you can deal with them, and if you're a tenant, you might want to know what is what as well. So before we do jump into this, if you are new around here and you haven't done already, please do subscribe to my channel over there and hit that bell notification. Join over 56,000 subscribers who get all the latest house price news, interest rate news, property investing tips, and much, much more. And help me get some views on this video. Your part in that is simple. All you need to do is smash like, tickle like, do something to that like button. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And that really does help the channel grow. So thanks to everyone that does that. So it is hot, really, really hot. Yesterday, I was fortunate enough to be working in London, and we had a lovely air-conditioned hotel. In my office, however, it's normally pretty cool. But I do have aircon in the office, but I've never used it. I've been in this office for more than 10 years. I can't find the controller. So I've actually found a website that sells old controllers for aircon units and stuff like that. And hopefully I've got one arriving tomorrow. So if the heat comes back, I should be okay. However, are your tenants okay? Well, something you need to consider is this. It's called the Housing Health and Safety Rating System. Rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Well, this stuff could get you in a spot of bother if you are a landlord. So look, most people just look at this stuff and assume it's all about things like mold, damp, electrical stuff and things like that. But it's not. One of the things we've talked about this week is the 21 reasons you can get a fine. And one of them is for excess heat. And so this could be something that you need to look at here. Now, if it was deemed that you weren't dealing with this appropriately, you'll get fined £7,000. That's the minimum fine that you'll get here. So this is something to take seriously. And so these are some examples which you might think are nothing, but could be quite serious. Firstly, windows won't open. I've had this in this office as well. So just there behind the camera is a big sash window, and that was broken for a while, and we spoke to the landlord and they weren't very quick at dealing with it, but eventually they did get it dealt with. The sash cords, one of them was broken, the window is really heavy, you couldn't open it, and so they took a while to sort that. But maybe you've got that kind of problem. There is times, my first ever flat, the one down here, I went backpacking in 2003. I was away in Asia for a whole year. Best time of my life. If you ever want to go backpacking, I highly recommend it. And what happened then was a tenant broke one of the windows when they moved out, which was quite annoying when you're on Koh Phangan to get an email on your Hotmail back then. And a building company fixed it, and they did some decorating. And one thing that they did was painted the windows shut, which was crazy. And so, yeah, I think they just didn't open the windows when they painted them. They then couldn't be opened. So this would be a problem in this scenario, that the windows don't open. You can fix it quite easily, but it is a problem. It's a health and safety risk for a fire as well, isn't it? Other things are extractor fans. So these can be easily broken. bathroom extractor fans can break quite often. I mean, I've got 10 properties. I've probably had in 25 years, I've probably had 4 extractor fans that break. I've not had 4 boilers break, so they're more common for me. Hopefully that stays that way, that an extractor fan breaks rather than a boiler. And so, yeah, that is something that would also count against this if the tenant was to complain. Next is shutters and blinds. So if it should have shutters and blinds and they don't go down, so this would be if they're not working to block out the sun and keep the sun out, this could now be a problem because excess heat will come into the property, it will get trapped in there, disaster for you. So shutters and blinds need to work. These things seem so trivial, don't they? But because we're now talking about excess heat, that's when you get a problem. Structural defects, if anything happens because of the heat, that could be a problem as well. So anytime anyone does complain about anything that is possibly related to them being uncomfortable or heat related, you need to take it serious now because of the Renters' Rights Act and all of this stuff here. So you need to treat it as urgent. I always use a letting agent, so then they've got a team of people. They'll go out and get stuff done. It's not a routine repair in this scenario. It needs to jump up and be seen by someone very, very quickly. You need to get things like blinds installed quickly if they break. You've also got to allow the tenant to use a portable air conditioner if they want to. You don't have to provide one. So we're not saying that you have to provide it, but if they want to use it, you can't not let them use it. So that's important as well. And if you've got vulnerable tenants, this is where this could get even more dangerous. So if you've got elderly tenants or babies in a property or someone with a disability, all of these things become even more magnified on how quickly you need to deal with this stuff. So all in all, this is just about reminding you these fines are there. I think you should really consider watching the video that I made this week. How you can find that is where it says Property Accelerator. You click on that, then you click on videos, look for the one that says £7,000 fines, and in there I give all the 21 reasons that you can get a fine. One of them is this excess heat. And so, yeah, if someone says, my blinds don't work, I can't open a window, this now is an emergency for you guys to get it dealt with, or you're going to have a big problem if they start reporting you to the council. And they're going to get more aware of this stuff. And so, yeah, it's a big, big concern. So do get it dealt with. Do let me know anything else that we should be addressing on the channel to get people aware of in the comments. Do like the video, do subscribe, and check out all the other content as well on my channel, including this video right here.